Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, April 12, 2021. More than 30,000 Jamaicans got their first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine over the weekend, as government continued its island-wide vaccination blitz. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is looking to administer 50,000 COVID-19 vaccinations at blitz events from April 9 to 13. The island-wide vaccination blitz continues tomorrow at various sites. As of Sunday, 3 new categories of persons are among those who can apply for the vaccine. They are persons 40 years and older who suffer from one or more comorbid conditions, individuals 50 years and older, and members of the public who are employed to the transport sector. On Monday, government workers were also added to the list. The Health Ministry also continues to vaccinate health and other frontline workers, tourism workers, teachers and other employees of educational institutions, media, as well as staff members from the Department of Correctional Services, Jamaica Fire Brigade, PICA, and the Jamaica Customs Agency. The ministry has announced that 10 vaccination blitz sites will operate until 8 p.m. today and tomorrow, April 13, as it aims to get as many Jamaicans as possible inoculated with the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. The sites are the National Arena and Mona Aging and Wellness Center in Kingston and St. Andrew, as well as the Twickenham Park Open Bible Church in St. Catherine and Denby Showground in Clarendon. The other locations are Manchester High School, Junction and Santa Cruz Health Centers in St. Elizabeth, Montego Bay Convention Center, along with Bahia Principe Resort and the Ocho Rios Health Center in St. Anne. Registration for the vaccine can be done online through the ministry's website or by calling the National Vaccination Hotline at 888-1-LOVE. That's 888-663-5683. Registration can also be done on spot at one of the blitz sites across the island. Meanwhile, the COVID-19 field hospital, which was previously set up at the National Chest Hospital in St. Andrew, has been redeployed to the Spanish Town Hospital. It was donated by the United States government through the U.S. Embassy in Jamaica and is currently equipped with 40 beds, but has the capacity to hold 60 beds. It comes equipped with all the gadgets for power, air conditioning, and all the other support infrastructure that is required. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Christopher Tufton toured the relocated facility on Friday before officially opening it for patient care. He addressed the need for the relocation, pointing out that St. Catherine remains one of the parishes with high positivity rates for COVID-19 infections. Minister Tufton also revealed that another field hospital was expected to arrive in the island soon and would be established in central Jamaica. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security, Senator Matthew Samuda, is reporting that the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, has been able to mitigate the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic admirably. Minister Samuda says the relative success is partly due to foresight, pointing out that sensitization about the potential threat of the virus began in January last year with key members of the DCS medical team and representatives from the correctional centers. In addition, a comprehensive contingency plan was prepared, internal education campaign undertaken for staff and inmates, hand sanitization and wash stations erected, and a COVID-19 task force established. Other measures were also taken to stop external visitors from entering the compound, and suitable areas for quarantine and isolation were identified.
We have used the basic science in this management. Reduced interactions, whether by external visitors or inter-block exchanges. We have put in place the necessary sanitation mechanisms. We have also started the process and in some cases made the infrastructural changes to facilitate greater ventilation.
Minister Samuda was addressing a virtual public forum held recently by the UWI Sir Arthur Lewis Institute for Social and Economic Studies. He revealed that outbreak of COVID-19 cases was recorded in 7 of the 11 correctional facilities, and to date, 120 wards have recovered. Up to the time of the public forum, there were 12 active COVID-19 cases among the inmate population and 16 among staff. Government began Phase 2 of the e-commerce national delivery system ENDS pilot project on the weekend. The web-based system enables quick service industry and delivery stakeholders to register on the platform and to operate until midnight in Kingston, Portmore, and Montego Bay during the COVID-19 curfew hours. During this phase, potential vendors in participating parishes will be able to submit applications via the system's official website, ends.gov.jm. Service delivery operators will also receive a unique barcode which will assist the security force and customers in verifying them as approved participants of ENDS. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of National Security, Senator Matthew Samuda, says the revision of applications may take up to 3 days, after which vendors will know if they're approved or not. Meanwhile, the ENDS working group, which consists of members of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica and the government, will be engaging the Social Development Commission to prepare for the rollout of the system in other parishes. The registration of businesses and vendors is ongoing, and customers may view the current listing of approved vendors on the portal's official website. And finally, a consultative committee has been officially launched to increase police-citizen engagement in order to address crime and violence in and around the Ligonier area. The Matildas Corner District Consultative Committee, DCC, will focus its efforts on community and police relations, domestic violence, effective parenting, truancy and violence in schools, child abuse, volunteerism, youth mentorship, public order breaches, and drug and alcohol misuse. The committee is the 9th to be formed in the parish under the Ministry of National Security. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says the DCC will serve as a forum to raise awareness about the problems affecting communities and implement effective plans to resolve the issues. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.